So Zach, what's going on the construction site this week?
Well, we're finishing up all the underfloor plumbing. We were here 1 week ago? 1 week ago.
Yes.
Yeah, so they're starting, now they're finishing. We have a Thursday inspection for all the underfloor plumbing. So once we pass, we can do the installation. And what's after installation?
Drywall.
No.
That's okay.
Not that fast.
That's what I wish.
Plumbing, since we have no HVAC underneath, we're all heat pump. So after the plumbing, we're going to do installation.
Okay.
After installation, we're going to close the floor off with plywood. Take number 2. And then after that?
After that, framing.
Yes, we're going to frame the walls.
So Zach, what are we doing?